Kokoliroko wakete, kokoliroko wakete. Do we all know the song? Kokoliroko, kokoliroko. Unconcerned, there goes the throw of the plastic bottle through the window, down that half-blocked furrow. Mungeri ya kutefirayo, wama we dispose every trash irresponsibly. As long as we quick fix that solid waste disposal without digging into our pockets. You see, before you call me chairman or was, let me first track my recital back onto the rescue scenarios. Wama go to know you. How many times have you taken the responsibility of dropping that yogurt sacket onto the next available trash bin? You see, we all fall victims of the community vice. And like a cancer, this irresponsible living has really taken us out of shape. Soil contamination, water contamination, and not forgetting the cancerous air pollution. You see, this limited search for the limited artificial oxygen signals the fate of our actions. We've really suffocated the entire ecosystem. That's our dear leaders. Let's face the bitter truth. Let's face the bitter truth. Let's engage the 3 R's to flatten this curve. Let's be the deliberate citizens to curb this community vice. You see, Taasa Obutonde, oteleze emira y'obudde. Wandibanga bwesuubye erisigadde to awaken this great cause of the day. Kokoliroko, kokoliroko, ate mulinda ki, musobokoke tufungise tebikulerangalo. Kokoliroko, kokoliroko, ate mulinda ki, musobokoke tufungise tebikulerangalo. Yes, so that's the poem called Taasa Obutonde, and I'm just about